Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Minecraft templates. First, understand that templates in Minecraft offer exciting ways to personalize your game. You can use them to add cool designs to your armor, giving your character a unique look. They also let you start new worlds with pre-built structures, saving you time and sparking new adventures. Let's dive into how you can find and use these fantastic additions. Finding templates is part of the fun. For armor trims, you'll explore different in-game structures like desert pyramids, jungle temples, or ancient cities. Each location often holds a specific type of trim, so keep an eye out for chests. For world templates, many dedicated Minecraft community websites provide a vast array of player-created content. These sites are excellent resources for discovering new builds and worlds. Once you have a template, installing it is straightforward. Armor trim templates are used at a smithing table. You'll combine your armor piece, the template, and a coloring material like iron, gold, or amethyst shards to apply the trim. For world templates, if you download a McWorld or McTemplate file, simply double-clicking it should automatically launch Minecraft and import the world for you. It's a quick and easy process. If you find a rare smithing template, you can duplicate it. You'll need one existing template, 7 diamonds, and a specific block corresponding to that template, all placed in a crafting grid. This lets you apply the same trim across all your armor pieces. With many different trim designs and 10 color options, there are over 600 combinations to customize your look. Remember to check the description for more deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other helpful links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.